Hello friends, today we are going to integrate a curve and also we are going to find out the area under the curve. To do so, we are using Origin software. So we are using Origin 8.6 for this application. Here I have some EPR data. So along the x-axis I have magnetism and the intensity is along the y-axis in arbitrary units. So what I get if I plot this? So if I plot this, I get a curve like this. I can increase its thickness so that it is clear to look at it. Now we need to calculate the area under the curve, or we need to integrate this. To do so, we can choose either gadget or analysis options. So first let us start using gadget option. In the gadget option you will find this option integrate. So as you click this option integrate, a dialog box will open. There are some options. One is, do you want mathematical area or the absolute area? So let me tell you the difference between these two. Mathematical area means, so this side of the curve is on the positive side, so it will give you positive area, and this side of the peak is towards the negative side, so this will give you the negative area. So in the case of mathematical area, you will find area of positive part minus area of negative part. But in the case of absolute area, you will find that area of positive part plus area of negative part. So this is the fundamental difference between mathematical area and the absolute area. So first we calculate the mathematical area. Now you will also get an integration curve of this curve. So how would you like to present that curve? First, you don't want to show that curve. Second, you want to show that curve but you want to restrict that within this graph, or you want the true value. But for making it easy, let us choose restrict to rectangle in this case. Now let us click OK and you get the area under the curve. So this quantity above is the area, is the mathematical area, and dx is the range of x starting from 1000 and going up to 6000. So this is the mathematical area of the upper part minus the area of the lower part, and this blue line is the integration curve of this curve. Now if you want to calculate the area of only upper part, so I can shift this line and then you can find the area of this upper part is 7.53 into 10 to the power 6. Similarly, if I want the area of lower part only, then I can shift its edges and find the area of lower part only. So in this case, the area of lower part is minus 7.64 into 10 to the power 6. If instead of mathematical area I choose absolute area and also I want to look at the integration curve, so in that case if I press OK, so this is the curve. So now the area is 1.519 into 10 to the power 7. This is the area of upper part and lower part both, and the integration curve is not coming down after this, it is going up because we are adding the area. So this is the way, using gadget option, within seconds we can find out the area under the curve or integration curve. But in some cases, if you want the data of this integration curve, to obtain the data of this integration curve so that you can plot it anywhere you like or you can analyze it, you need to go this analysis option. In the case of analysis, you press analysis, go to mathematics, and then you reach a place which is integrate. So at integrate, just open dialog In case of input, I can select my data. So if I press this, now I am free to choose the range in which I want to integrate this curve. Next, I can either get mathematical area or I can get absolute area, but we are doing this for mathematical area. And now the integration curve, where I want to plot the integration curve. So whether I don't want it, I just want data, or in a new graph I want to plot it, or in the same plot. But for making it easy, let us draw this in a new graph. So if I press it OK, yes, so this is the mathematical integration curve of the curve which we were looking at earlier, and the informations like what is the area, mathematical area of this is this. The main thing is that I want the data of this plot. Now let us check out the data of this integration curve in our book. So here is one additional column you will find on which it is written that integrate. And if you will check out, so we integrated from this point to further on, and if we plot this with this data, we will find this curve. In this way, you can integrate a curve and find out the area under the curve using the gadget method and the analysis method. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for supporting. Have a good day.